So we are in newly opened JD Sport in my area, and look at those. We got some trees, the newly trees, and they also got the Oreo 4 white, man, Jordan 13. Let's see inside, and hey, literally they have it sitting down here. Jordan 4, man, they got the trees, Racer Blue, they got mids. Ooh, we got some low shadow. This one is not bad, man. And we got the University Gold, some igloos and mids. Wow. And Jordan 1 Fusion Red sitting here. Well, what is your thought on this Air Force One? You like it? Like the color? This Air Force One kind of a little bit weird with that flowery. Man, Jordan 3 Razor Blue. We got one Mids Royal and another Hyper Royal Blue. And this one, the Igloo is still here. And some lows. I like this violet thing. I already got me one. And the Arctic Orange. And we got some Chill Red Jordan 1 mid. Nice colorway. And we got the Arctic Blue. That one. Kind of violet-ish thing. We got some the patent leather Jordan 1 mid. What do you think on this shiny thing? Thumbs up? How about this one? We got the lows. Maybe pass. We got the University Gold lows again. And we're going to women's section. We got a bunch down here. Wow. We got this one. It's kind of corduroy. I like the leather-ish and the corduroy combination. How about this one? The Jordan 1 mid. Like a Celtics colorway with kind of pink lace. And this one's not bad. UNC kind of black toe. And wow. This one's really nice leather. It's very soft. And this one kind of feminine-ish, but this one is kind of good for men's as well. Nah, pass on this one. Okay, another patent leather, kind of USA. And how about this one? Wow, that's a lots of things going on. We got also here in the grade school. Look at those. Man, they are sitting here. Jordan 4s in grade school, man. Okay. Alright, so we got the Igloo in grade school, another Royal Toe or Hyper Royal. Well, how about this one? We got also the Shadows in Lowe's grade school, more in grade school like a shutterback board. And how about this one? We got some kids, SB Dunk. Discarding Pinoy. So I gotta ask my family to come and get more of the Jordan 4. And day 2, we got long line. And they got restock on something new. And so this one don't have it yesterday, but today another one, new one in the store, restock and something. This one also not bad for that colorway though. What do you think? So this one did they have it yesterday, but I still like the colorway though. And another one that they restock or new in the store. Man, they keep coming. And more on the Jordan 13. What do you think on this one? This been sitting all day. Another Flint. Well, man, more on the Jordan 3 Hyper. Oh no, Racer Blue colorway. So this is great to see on the second day opening of JD Sport, and a lot of people, lot of new stock in the store. So here we go. This what we pick up on the second day on the JD Sport. We pick up 3 items. My mom, my daughter pick up 3 pairs each, and me as well. So that is the second day, man. It is crazy in the store. So I wasn't able to pick up more. The Jordan 4, we pick up one of my mom's and my daughter, but me, I don't have to get me mine